Hello again and welcome to the display corner here at CDS. You've asked for it, you've waited for it long enough, and now we have it. 15.7-inch circle, the baby brother of our wonderful 23.6-inch circle. So this has actually come to the market fairly recently. It's taken a little bit longer than we'd hoped to get it here, but now we have it. It's available to buy. It's 15.7 diagonal, or 400mm effectively diagonal. So whereas the larger one is 600, this is a nice 400mm. Lovely price point, lovely resolution. So you're 960 by 960, which makes driving it a little bit easier because you're under full HD, so you can drive it from a more reasonable source. You've got your traditional interfaces on the back. So this particular one, as with the 23.6, has got DisplayPort and HDMI. Running on 12 volts as well. So nice and simple. VESA mount on the back for easy mechanics for integrators. This one doesn't have a cover glass, but there's no reason why we couldn't put a cover glass on there if you wanted us to. And as yet, we don't have a touchscreen tooled, but for the right project, it's absolutely possible. Again, fits in a lovely space within the range where we have the 23.6, and this one fits in that slightly smaller size that so many people have been asking for. So contact us now on the links below. We have this one available. It's available to pre-order as well. Contact us and we'll be sure to help you out. Thank you.